we will start the next book, in which we have already covered perhaps the 3 lessons of that. The selfish giant. Every afternoon, as they were coming past continuous, the beginner must be careful to catch the structures. I am revising them. They are coming from school. They were coming from school. It might be either
The children.
or the students. The students.
A student.
Yes. And the children. The children used to go means
जाया करते थे.
मैं करते थे
बच्चे and play in the giant's garden. Where the children used to
जेंट्स गार्डन
in the giant's garden. Yes. And when did they go to play in the garden?
क्या सर
In the James Garden.
When did they go to play in the garden?
आफ्टरनून
After school. After
Afternoon.
school.
After coming from school.
School.
It was a large garden. The garden of the giants was very large, with soft green grass. And the grass in the garden was very
Soft.
Large.
soft, delicate, tender. ये सब का मीनिंग होता है कोमल.
कोमल.
Tender, delicate, soft. Here and there, means in the garden, over the grass, stood beautiful flowers. Now the correct sentence should be beautiful flowers stood in the garden over the grass. That is the right sentence. And there were 12 peach trees. Name of the tree, peach. Earlier we have read oak tree. Oak tree we have read in the very first lesson.
यस सर
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes, sir.
we are having the peach tree. And we already know that banyan tree is our national
Tree.
tree.
नेशनल ट्री
Banyan tree is the national tree, but here we are talking of a peach tree that in the springtime broke out into delicate blossoms. Delicate has come. Earlier soft word came, and now delicate is coming. I don't know whether tender will come or not. Delicate blossoms means soft flowers came out. Where did these soft flowers come out?
In the garden. In the jeans garden. Jeans garden.
Yeah, peach trees. And the color of the flowers were pink and pearl. And in the autumn bore rich fruit. Deer means Janmadena. Deer bore born. The peach trees gave first the flowers and then fruits. The birds sat fast in the trees, on the trees, and sang so sweetly on the trees. You can also use in the trees because there are branches. When the birds sat on the top of the tree, then on. But when the birds sat in the middle of the tree, then we can use in the tree. Okay, and song trees and sang, the birds sang sweetly that the children used to stop. The children used to stop their games in order to means के लिए. Have I told you the meaning in order to?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did we read it yesterday? Did we read the first paragraph yesterday? No,
No, sir.
we did not read. But in order to, day before yesterday, I had brought in order to this phrase. And second time it is coming. The meaning of this phrase is ke liye. Is it clear? That
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
in order to listen. What to listen? What to listen? Oh my God! इतना देरी करेंगे?
Sir, song.
हाँ.
What song?
The song of the birds, which came
Bird.
on the tree. How happy we are here. At present, they are telling, the children are telling that we are very happy. How happy we are here. It means that we are very happy here in this garden because we have it is a big garden where we can play. The big garden is green. The second, the garden, birds come to sing. So we listen a sweet song of the birds. That's why it was a beautiful garden. When I stop you speak, you share me. One day the giant came back. It means that the giant had gone. In absence of the giant, the children used to play in his garden, in that large garden. In absence of Sabhin Kumar, who is Sabhin Kumar?
Sir, Sachin Kumar, sir.
Sachin Kumar, but
Sir,
here
लिखने में गलती हो गया sir.
wrongly printed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the number of students today is very low. Only
6.
8 students are there. 8 students are there. Most of you have not joined the class. Okay. One day the giant came back. He had been, means he had gone. He had been to visit his friend, means he had gone, he had visited his friend. And the owner of the garden was not there. The giant was not there. In absence of the giant, the children used to play in the garden. His friend, who's the Cornish Ogre. His name was Cornish Ogre. His friend's name. The giant's friend's name was Cornish Ogre. Okay.
Yes, sir.
बीच बीच में बोलते रहिए, कहीं किसी का दर्शन नहीं है. सब
Yes, sir.
हाँ. मुझे लगता है कि मैं यूं ही टेप करता हूँ, कोई सुनने वाला मेरा है नहीं. And had stayed means the monster, the giant had stayed at his friend's home. At his friend's home, Ashish is now joining. Yes. The giant had stayed with him for 7 years. When he arrived, means when he came back, after coming back from his friend's house, After coming back from his friend's house, when the giant came back to his garden, hello, कोई है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब वीडियो क्यों
Yes, sir.
किए हो? Once I told you that your presence is very fruitful for you. Yes. Had stayed with him for 7 years. When he arrived, past indefinite once again, he saw that when he arrived is a main clause, principal clause.
Subordinate clause. Subordinate clause.
Thank you, Satin. Satin, your video. When he arrived, he saw the children playing in the garden. He saw the children are playing in the garden.
Where? So
Who are? Where? Where?
Where?
Who were?
In the garden. What are you doing here? He cried. The giant asked. The giant asked what they were doing there. What they were doing there.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
He cried in direct narration. He cried in a very gruff voice, in a very rough voice. Gruff means rough, means harsh. The harsh, rough,
Carcass.
carcass, yes. Harsh, rough, gruff. So the giant asked in a very gruff voice what they were doing there.
Where?
And the children ran away. The no sooner did the children listen, no sooner did the children listen the gruff voice of the giant.
And they ran away.
And
Then the children ran away.
Then they ran away. Okay. The no sooner did. Or we can also make this sentence as soon as the children heard the gruff voice of the giant, they ran away. As soon as वाले में then नहीं लगाएंगे. But no sooner did, when we use no sooner did, then we must use then. Okay. Turn the page next. My own garden is my own garden, said the giant. The giant told that his garden is his own garden, and no one could enter. ये तो सुनाई पड़ गया होगा, इसमें तो कोई दो मत।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, his garden, his own garden, and no other one is allowed to enter into his garden. Anyone can understand that this fact means one should not enter into another's garden. That is the fact giant is telling, and everyone should understand this fact. And I will allow nobody to play in it but myself. Means the giant will play himself. And if you the giant did not allow anyone to enter into his garden, and he told that he would remain alone in his garden and he will play himself. These passers will be prosecuted. Prosecuted means imprisoned. Will be punished. The trespassers means one who breaks the norms of the law will be prosecuted. Means he will be punished. the will be prosecuted, सजा दिया जाएगा, there is will be punished, सजा दिया जाएगा, will be played, खेला जाएगा. Be faster to have command over the structures or the fast understanding at the time of reading. He was a very selfish giant. We have earlier read this simple past. The poor children had now nowhere. Nowhere means no place. The poor children who were driven away by the
Selfish giant.
Giant.
इतना
Giant.
क्लास में तो इतना देरी नहीं लगता था कि जूम पर इतना देरी क्यों लगता है. Yes, the poor children had now nowhere, means the poor children had no place to play. They tried to play on the road. As now you can say this sentence, as they had no place, as they were not allowed to play in the garden, they were bound to play on the
Road.
Road.
road. But the road was very dusty and full of hard stones. So the road was not the right place for the children to play there because it was full of dust. Second thing, it was uneven, and full of hard stones. Full of hard stones means it was uneven. समतल नहीं था. There were stones. So they faced difficulties to play on the road, and they did not like it. Why did they not like to play on the road? The reasons: it was full of
Dust.
dust,
Dust.
and it had also stones. They used to wander. Wander का टेस्ट लूंगा because a new word I had given 4-5 days ago. Wander. I want to take,
Roam. भटकना.
जो नया वर्ड दिया था वो कहाँ गया? Loiter. Word I had given loiter, and there also this word. That they used to wander around the high walls. The high walls which was built by
Giant.
giant, which was built by the giant. How happy we were there. At first the children told, when they were playing in the garden, they told that how happy we are here. But now as they are not going playing in the garden, so they are telling how happy we were there. Now transform this sentence into indirect speech. Transform this sentence into...
The children.
The children said, the children exclaimed with sorrow.
Children exclaimed.
With sorrow that
How?
where
How they
they had been very happy there.
How they had been happy in that garden.
They had been हो जाएगा इसका. Hello Sachin, how happy we were there. Simple past है that they had been there. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They said to each other, there were many children. Even then, each other has been used because separately it has been included the two. This one friend told to another in this way, one and two discussed. Okay. Then the spring came. The spring, the spring came. Spring is a
Season.
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 Yes. The autumn has, we have already come related to autumn in the very first paragraph. पहले पैराग्राफ में autumn आया है,
Yes, sir.
नहीं आया है?
Sir, आया.
हाँ, autumn bore rich fruit आया है कि नहीं? autumn. The autumn means,
आया है, sir.
Yes, sir.
autumn means,
Season.
अरे
Season.
वसंत.
autumn season तो है.
वसंत ऋतु.
पतझड़.
पतझड़ ऋतु.
Yes, पतझड़. Spring means basant. Summer means,
गर्मी.
winter means,
ठंडी.
हाँ, ये 2 दिन पहले किए हैं बात. ओके, नहीं, क्लास 7 के साथ बात की है. कोई भी नया चीज आएगा तो झा सर कहेंगे कि 2 दिन पहले तो मैं बताया था. ओके. Then the spring came, and all over the country there were little blossoms. We know that spring season is called the queen of all seasons because the land is newly dressed. The land is newly dressed in different colors. The earth is new in spring season. The earth is newly dressed in different colors. आगे बढ़े.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The blossoms and little birds. The spring season also welcomes the birds to sing melodious songs. Only in the garden of the selfish giant was still winter, but the spring did not come. The spring season did not come in giant's garden. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बहुत जल्दी
Yes, sir.
वार्निंग दे रहा है ये. Was still means
अभी तक.
और दूसरा
Even now.
शांत. When we throw a stone in the still pond, when we throw a stone in the still pond, शांत पानी में, then the water spreads. Still means शांत. और आप भी ये भी कहिए कि नहीं, ये भी नया ही है. The birds did not care to sing in the garden. Why? Because the spring did not come. Where there is spring, there are flowers, there are birds. But where there is winter,
There were no children.
neither the birds nor the flowers bloom, and nor the birds sing. So spring and winter, the difference between spring and winter. The birds did not care to sing in it as there were no children. As there were no children in the garden, in the giant's garden, the spring did not come. And as the spring did not come, the birds did not come. And as the birds did not come, the flowers did not bloom. आज का प्रयोग हो गया.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The trees forgot to blossom. Clear. A beautiful flower put its head out from the grass. A flower which was inside the grass came up. A flower came up. The head of the flower came up to see. But when it saw the notice board which was hung by the giant, when flower saw the notice board, it was so sorry for the children that it slipped back into the ground again. So when a flower came out from the grass and saw no children there playing, then it once again it went back. And went off to sleep. Means the flower which had come out and did not find any children playing there and did not see birds chirping on it, then what did the flower do? It went back once again to sleep inside the grass. It is in Satin, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
A flower came out to see whether the children have come or not, whether the birds have come or not. And when the flower did not see anyone, then it once again went back to sleep. Maybe chala gaya soone ke liye. Which season was in the garden of the giants?
Winter.
Winter.
Yes. And what was the condition outside of the garden?
Spring
Spring
season.
Spring season. Okay now. The only people who were pleased, were the snow and the frost. So there was, this was the word of the snow and frost in his garden. In the giant's garden, as it was winter, so there was a snow and a frost. A snow fall. A frost means earth का टुकड़ा. कोहरे जो होता है बर्फ का, that is called frost. Okay. Spring has forgotten this garden. Spring has forgotten this garden. Has forgotten. Present perfect. भूल गया है. इस garden को spring भूल गया. Everywhere there was a spring, but there was no spring in his garden to come there. They cried. इस दे का जो जवाब देगा मैं समझूंगा कि हाँ सही पढ़ रहा है. ये दे किसके लिए है? दे किसके लिए?
Spring.
Trees and flowers. Trees and flowers.
कहे लखनऊ. यहाँ पर
Children.
हाँ
The children.
Children.
हेलो.
Yes, sir.
दे किसके लिए है?
Children.
नहीं
The spring के लिए.
नहीं. Once again. Once again. Now I am suggesting. Spring has forgotten this garden. See it. Consciously see it. Spring has forgotten this garden. They cried. फिर से देखिए, the only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost. Spring forgotten this, they cried. The only people who were pleased, happy, were the snow and the frost. Spring has forgotten this garden. They cried. Arey,
Yes. Sir, snow and frost.
yes, now. The snow and the frost cried, balle balle. We have the whole garden for us because spring is not coming. It is our reason. And frost, स्नो एंड फ्रॉस्ट खुशी से चिल्लाए कि हम लोगों का बल्ले बल्ले हो गया, क्योंकि स्प्रिंग नहीं आया है, विंटर ही है, इसलिए वो लोग बल्ले बल्ले कर रहे हैं. सचिन,
Yes, sir.
so we will live here. Now you see, so we will live here all the year round. All the year round का दूसरा दोस्त कौन है?
So all the day round. All the day round.
All the day long.
Round.
All
पूरे
the,
दिन भर, पूरे साल.
all the day long and all the year round. हाँ, मेरा नोटबुक हमेशा देखते रहना है, तभी जाकर के सारे वर्ड्स नया नया मैं जो लाता हूँ, जो बहुत सारा पुराना मैं करना चाहता हूँ, वो पुराना हो नहीं पाता है, बहुत सारा वर्ड्स पुराना नहीं हो पाता है, क्योंकि नोटबुक हम पलटते नहीं है. ओके. Spring has forgotten this garden, they cried, so we will live here all the year round. The snow covered up the grass. When snow falls, what harm does it do? That it covers the grass. With her great white cloak, I have told you the meaning of cloak. From
Yes, sir.
yeah,
A cloth from neck to leg.
very good. Cloak. A cloth from neck to leg is called a cloak. Means the garden was fully covered with snow.